Hello everyone! Teacher Jem Raymond is here. Good news po! May nai-release na po na Special Allotment Release Order o SARO ang ating Department of Budget and Management or DBM as of August 7, 2024. Para po ito sa Department of Education patungkol sa performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2022 for school-based personnel. Ano kayang region ang narilisan na ng SARO as of August 7, 2024? Now, tingnan po natin ito ng malapitan. As of August 7, 2024, 2:30 p.m., naka-receive na nga po ang ating agency, ang DepEd or Department of Education, ng Special Allotment Release Order o SARO, and this is intended for the release of the allotment to cover the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus of the qualified school-based personnel na nagkakahalaga ng 1,053,557,963 pesos. At anong region kaya ang naka-receive ng Special Allotment Release Order na to? Congratulations po, DepEd Region 5 for receiving the SARO for PBB 2022 for your school-based personnel. Expected po sa mga susunod na araw, matatanggap na po ng mga guro sa DepEd Region 5 ang kanilang inaasam-asam na PBB 2022. At para po sa ibang mga regional offices ng DepEd, hintay-hintay lang po tayo since nagsimula na nga po mag-release ng SARO ang DBM in the succeeding days for sure. Marirelease na din po ang SARO intended sa inyong mga region. Basta makumpleto lang po ng mga SDO ninyo na masubmit ang mga needed documents for your PBB. That's all for this video and please like, share, and subscribe po in my channel to stay updated po about education-related matters. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, keep safe everyone!